Welcome to our latest YouTube video. In this episode, we take you on a tour of a 24-feet tiny home that is inspired by the Hygge movement. If you are not familiar with Hygge, it is a Danish lifestyle trend that emphasizes coziness, warmth, and contentment. And this tiny home delivers on all fronts. As you first enter the lick, you'll find an L-shaped kitchen with stainless steel countertop, custom blue cabinets, a fold-down table, and a gray glass subway tile backsplash. The kitchen also has a stainless steel refrigerator, white apron sink, and upper shelves. Next to the kitchen is a built-in couch that converts to a bed and has 2 storage compartments. Built-in closets have cabinet doors that match the kitchen cabinet doors. 3/4 inches pre-finished hardwood floors were used throughout the home. As you look at the stairs, you'll notice the spacious steps that provide ample room for storing clothes, linens, and other household items. But the real surprise comes when see the top, a fully functional washer-dryer combo nestled neatly into the staircase. With this clever design, doing laundry has never been easier or more convenient. This bathroom packs a lot of functionality into its design, including a fiberglass shower, sink with medicine cabinet, mirror, and flush toilet. The fiberglass shower is the centerpiece of the bathroom, with its sleek and modern design. Its compact size doesn't compromise on comfort, and you'll see how the designer has cleverly used every inch of space to create a luxurious showering experience. Adjacent to the shower, you'll see the sink with a medicine cabinet, mirror. The cabinet provides ample storage for toiletries and other essentials, while the mirror makes the bathroom feel larger and more open. The stairs lead up to the loft, which features several built-in storage spaces, maximizing the use of vertical space in the tiny home. As you climb the stairs, you'll notice the sturdy construction and handrails for safety. Once you reach the top, you'll see the spacious loft area, which can accommodate a full-size bed. However, the loft is also designed to fit a queen-size bed if desired, providing flexibility for your sleeping needs. You'll also notice the thoughtful touches throughout the bedroom loft, such as the windows that provide natural light and ventilation. The loft's design is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing, with its warm wood finishes and cozy atmosphere.